Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode. Dave Rodriguez here, one of the head traders inside the Alliance community. I want to give a quick shout out, as always, to everyone watching the video today. Definitely appreciate all the support you guys give out, and make sure you guys mash that subscribe button and hit that bell if you haven't already so you get all the notifications. All you newbie viewers or anybody who hasn't taken advantage of the offer, make sure you stay to the end. We'll be revealing our free ebook, the Cryptocurrency Consumer Guide. It has all our best kept secrets and strategies, tons of facts, and some key things you need to know in order to make it in this market. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into Bitcoin. Let's cover a couple of things real quick before we talk about the US dollar here. Real quick, we're not going to touch on this too much because we all knew this would happen. We just didn't know which one it was going to be. But as they forked a couple months ago, Bitcoin Cash SV has been delisted on Binance. It will be delisted April 22nd, but they've already made the decision, which has caused a huge drop in price, which I think could be a direct positive correlation to Bitcoin Cash that is left over, as well as Bitcoin. I think they can go up in regards to this. And again, we're going to talk about Tether, because we've talked about Tether many times. Biggest reason is because they refuse to take an audit and they refuse to show us that they are one-to-one backed by reserves, by US dollar, in their bank account, which has not been happening. So Tether accused of minting almost 400 million in uncollateralized USDT to prop up Bitcoin, which means they've really printed, per se, 400 million new tokens to add to the market to prop up the value of Bitcoin. So basically what they do is a quick explanation here. Tether's once again injected the cryptocurrency markets with nearly $400 of fake money. They recently admitted it's not backed by dollars, but it's so-called reserves. Last time they injected this fake money, we found out about the CFTC subpoenas, and the market crashed. First, tethers are created by the parent company Tether Limited, often in large chunks, such as 200 million. Although the new coins moved to Bitfinex, he said when the price dropped soon after the issuance, Tether and Bitfinex and other exchanges are used to buy Bitcoin in coordinated ways to drive the price back up. So they sell high, buy low, and then the price shoots up to gain their value. Now, Tether is worth $1 because it's generally agreed upon it's worth $1, not because it can be redeemed for that dollar. Should the faith vanish, the repercussions would be material, widespread, and volatile. Tether is a stable coin, which means it's supposed to stay stable around $1. If it does not and it drops, this could cause panic. This could cause huge volatility in the market, and it could be bad for all of us. So I'd stay away from stable coins if I could. If I had a chance to trade USDT or USD on the exchange rather than a stable coin like USDT, that's what I would do. With that being said, let's jump over to Bitcoin USD. I'm just going to show it on Coinbase right now. I think this is the next obvious target to the upside. As you can see, guys, this is support right now. We have support at 4,900, holding here very nicely. We had a break up, became support here, became support here, became support here, all pinpoint. We broke through it, came up, came down, retested. Okay, big bearish engulfing. This is a pin bar reversal candle. This is a doji. Anytime you see two of these together at a resistance point, you're looking at a reversal. So now you've seen an engulfing candle to the upside. We have another doji. I expect us to get back to these levels here by end of day today, but we will play it by ear and see what happens with this next run up. But I do think this is the next logical area here at 53.50 to run up and break through. I'd like to see a big candle, a retest before we reach up and reach these markets here. I do think that is our next move. I really don't think that we're going to, even though we're coming up and kind of stalling, we had two right here, and this is the stalling downside. So this doji and this doji here are telling us that we're seeing some little bit of upwards movement. We haven't been able to test this downwards. We've seen an engulfing candle up, a nice little candle up. We could break this down in the 4 hour and look at it a little bit closer. As you can see, this run up here was followed by a sharp down run. I don't know why that looks like that. Okay, so we had the break. Have not seen the retest, so I do think we'll retest this area. Like I said, we'll get back up into this area, and I do think we'll see a break back up inside the trend rather than a tap and a downside run. So we're looking for an upside run. We're looking for it to break this 53.50 area, and we're looking for it to continue to this $6,000 area. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Keep an eye out for any news that could be affecting the markets. I try to keep my eyes peeled. I try to keep as many of these reliable news channels connected into my computer here, so anytime an alert comes up, it just pops up, and I can kind of go over here and check out any of my news feeds. So make sure you guys stay connected, because these positive news, bad news can drop the market. You need to kind of be aware of what's going on. I do see a continuation here. We're going to see it to the upside, 53.50. That's my next target. But I do see 6,000. It's got to be touched. Even if we do see downside after that to go back down to 4,200, have the retest there, I do see 6,000 being tapped. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. Make sure you click that link in the description below. It's the bitcoinconsumerguide.com/YT. That's like YouTube. Click that link, get your free ebook. There's also a training course included free of charge, given to you by Cody Sperber and the Clever, Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, and the Cryptocurrency Alliance. So check that out. We'll tell you how to get it at the end of that video. Make sure you watch it to the end, and we'll see you guys on the next Bitcoin breakdown.